In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check accessibility in Excel. Making your spreadsheets accessible helps everyone, including people who use screen readers, keyboard navigation, or high-contrast settings. It also makes your workbook clearer and more consistent, which is great for collaboration and long-term maintenance. With your workbook open, we'll use Excel's built-in accessibility checker to quickly scan for common barriers and learn what they mean. Start by going to the Review tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. If your ribbon is minimized, expand it so you can see the full set of commands. The Review tab is where Excel groups tools for checking and refining your content, and it's the home of the accessibility tools we need. Next, select Check Accessibility. When you choose this option, Excel scans the entire workbook and opens the Accessibility Checker pane on the right side of your screen. You'll see a list of results grouped by severity, such as errors, warnings, and informational tips. Each item represents something that could make your content difficult to understand or navigate. Take a moment to look through what the checker highlights. Typical findings might include images or charts without alternative text, merged cells that can disrupt navigation, tables missing header information, or complex sheet structures that are hard to read with assistive technologies. When you select a result, the pane explains why it matters and points to the exact location in your workbook, so you can understand the issue in context. Even if you're not making changes right now, reading the explanation helps you learn the reasoning behind accessibility best practices, which pays off as your workbook grows. Now, run the scan again by choosing Check Accessibility once more. This is especially helpful if you've reviewed the explanations, dismissed any false positives, or simply want to confirm you're seeing the latest results. Rerunning the check refreshes the report and ensures nothing was missed. Think of it like a final proofread dedicated to inclusivity. As you work, keep an eye on patterns the checker reveals. If you frequently use images, note the importance of clear alternative text. If you rely on merged cells for layout, consider how that affects navigation. These insights will help you design accessible spreadsheets from the start, reducing fixes later. And that's it. By opening the Review tab, selecting Check Accessibility, and running it again to refresh, you've used Excel's built-in tools to evaluate your workbook with accessibility in mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create spreadsheets that work better for everyone.